In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if DHgate Seller is legit. 2025, step by step. DHgate is a huge marketplace with tons of sellers offering similar products, so the goal is to filter out the risky ones and focus on reliable stores. Start by going to the website and searching for the item you want, like wireless earbuds, sneakers, or a watch. Don't stop at the first cheap listing. Scroll through multiple results to spot patterns in pricing, photos, and descriptions. Extreme bargains often mean cut corners, so resist impulse buys. Open a product that looks promising, then click the store name to visit the seller's page. Store age matters a lot. Aim for sellers with at least 2 years on the platform and steady activity over time. Avoid brand new stores with no history or reviews, especially those under 6 months old. On that same store page, check the feedback score. A positive rating of 95% or higher is a strong sign. Look for a solid transaction history and repeat buyers. Both indicate consistency. High sales volume paired with a strong rating is safer than either metric on its own. Next, dive into the product's reviews, not just the star average. Prioritize reviews with real photos or videos, detailed comments, and consistent feedback about quality. Red flags include no reviews, copy-paste comments like good or nice, and repeated photos across different reviews. Sorting by most recent can reveal current quality and shipping trends. Take a look at the number of orders for that listing. A minimum of 100 orders shows some track record, and 500 to 1,000 or more is even better. High order counts usually mean the product and seller have been vetted by the crowd. Compare the same item across 3 to 5 sellers. Weigh price, shipping cost, delivery time, reviews, and seller age together. Choose the best overall value, not just the cheapest option. Watch for unusually low product prices paired with inflated shipping. Before you buy, message the seller. Ask for real photos, estimated time before shipping, and quality control pictures. Good sellers respond clearly within about 24 hours. Keep all communication inside DHgate for protection. Confirm that the listing shows buyer protection, a clear refund or return policy, and tracking. Avoid any seller who pushes you to pay outside the platform, cancel protection, or move the chat to external apps. When you're ready, place a small test order of 1 piece. Check the quality, packaging, and shipping speed yourself. If everything checks out, save the store, bookmark the product, and buy from them again. Building a list of trusted sellers makes future orders